Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make hairpins for dolls that are of 1 to 6 scale. Actually, this is really simple and easy, so there's not much to explain. I used the tip-pin, just put some colored beads into pin and then bend it. I mainly use seed beads and hexagon beads. Put it through, tip-pin that is your desired color and shape. Till it is in the middle of the pin. And bend it. These are the pins that I made using same method. I hope you guys are having fun of making on your own. You also can use 3D nail art decorations and different types of beads. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.